Hey everybody, I'm Staff Sergeant Ryans from 134th Civil Engineering Squadron Electric Shop. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to replace an outlet at home. So, tools you're going to need a voltmeter, multimeter of some sort, screwdriver, and the potential for wire strippers. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to take your multimeter here. You're going to put it over on the AC voltage section. Stick your prongs in the outlet and make sure that it has power. In this case, we have 120 volts. So we're going to go over here to the panel, open it up, and turn the circuit breaker off. We have no power, so we know that we turned off our breaker. So next, we're going to go ahead and take the outlet cover off. Here you see the actual outlet. It's held on the two screws, one at the top, one at the bottom. Next, you're going to pull the outlet out. Be sure to grab from the top to the bottom. Don't grab on the sides, as that's where the terminals are. You can see on this one, it's been taped up. That's because it's in a metallic box. Sometimes people will tape it up to protect metal connections from coming in contact to the box. From here, we can go ahead and loosen the connections. These are a stab-in type, so they come in from the back, and you tighten them down with the screws on the side. So we're just going to loosen those up. Pull them straight out and bend them out of the way. So you see here, we have a black wire, a white wire, and a green wire. This is the standard for American electrical systems. The black wire is going to be your current carrying wire, which is it's going to deliver your power from the panel. The white wire is your neutral wire. It pretty much serves as a return for the current. And the green is your ground, which protects the user and the equipment from electrical shock. So here is our replacement outlet. So the way I remember this is the hot wire, the current carrying wire, is black. On the outlets you have a gold side, and you have a silver side. So the way I remember it is black gold, white silver. That's a pretty easy way to remember it. And your ground will always be a universal green lug. So now we're going to go ahead and install the replacement outlet. You want to go ahead and loosen the screws so that you can fit the wire back inside. So again, black goes to gold, white goes to silver. So we're going to stick the black wire inside. We're going to tighten that terminal down. You want to make sure you don't have a lot of exposed wire sticking out the back, as having exposed wire can lead to a short. Okay. Spin it over. We want to connect the neutral. So here we have a little bit extra ground wire. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and we're going to twist it around just to show you a different type of connection. So give the wire a good twist. That way it's nice and braided. That way you don't have small wires fraying out everywhere. You're just going to twist it, bend it around, make a little loop around it. You're going to hook it around your ground there. So our ground wire here, we have a little bit extra. So you just want to take your strippers and go ahead and cut some off. All you really need on these is about a 1/2 inch or so. So just retwist that so it's not fraying out. Stick it in from the side and tighten that down. So once you're done, you want to give all your wires just a slight tug to make sure they're in there secure and they're not going to fall out once you reinstall. Ours are all good, so we're going to go ahead and reinstall this outlet. So now that we've got all of our wires back in, like I said before, this is a metallic box, so we want to go ahead and protect the terminals. So you're going to take some electrical tape. You're going to tape it around the terminals. One good loop around is all you need. You just want those to be covered. Now we're going to go ahead and put it back inside the box. Just line it up, make your top and bottom screw there. You want to get them both started before you start screwing them all the way in, otherwise it doesn't necessarily work too well. So when you've almost got it tightened up, you can move the outlet side to side. You want to line it up so that it's straight up and down, even with the box. After you're satisfied, you can go ahead and tighten it back up. Replace your cover. Have one single screw in the middle. Okay. Now the outlets are installed, so now we're going to re-energize it. So we're going to come back to our panel, flip our circuit breaker on, grab our meter again, and retest it. 120 volts. We're all set. That is how you replace your outlet now.